Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kubleye phi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. U advisor ka Shillong la jong FC ba Sabor sana but head coach ba Viru Thapa kila pen pau ba ka kin hun kadang Tracy Tom ban pen kre ya ka jingi le kai ka ban wan. Da ka jing kermen ba kanang kiu shaprang hagani ka ayom Shillong la jong FC u ba Sabor sana uang Don kam ka jingi trailang ba jing kershan pat ba habakran shakilat pathai khubor. Uba Sabor sana uloong ba ka club kam day ka bahe ba ha kaliang ka pisa. Ray ka don ya ka minsium jing yele kai ba ka jing ang nun ban kantiyo ya kirang yele kai shinong. Uloong ba ka jing ya kun kalong ka bating ray ka jing kershan na ki pat ba ka jing ya trailang hap deng kinong yele kai ba kinong penyat kalong ka ba kong san Ngi kwa ban wan ra ka jing yele kai ka ba ban ay minsium ni ka samla ka jilla ula benra. Ula ka dawru ba ka club ka bu Ahmad ya ka jing te ki rang yele kai na ka jilahi da ka jing tmu ban pen klan ya ka nongrim jong ka jing yele kai football ha ka jilla. Viru Thapa ngidang pen kre ba wat ladon ki jing Head coach ba Viru Thapa ula pen pau ba wat la ka kin hun ka mat ki katu kat ne ki jing ha ki jing yele kai ki baladem. Ray usngok men ya ka rukam tre shitam jong ki nong yele kai. Ki khana kila le bha ki katu kat ni ki jing le kai bala dem ngidang tre shitom ha ka jing le kai pat ba ka jing da laong uthapa ula ban rap ba gani ka ayom kanong ka ba khamting henry ka kin hun kala pen khre ban ya khun ting haman na ka jing le kai ulong ro ba ka jing tre lang kum ka kin hun ba ka jing shania para nong le kai kalong ka benta ka ba kong san tam ban poisha ka thong Kajing ang nut siya kaayom bathamay ki bor penyat ke Shillong la jong kila pen pau ba kidang pen kre ru ban pen klanya ka kinhun ha kalyang kajing hikai kajing ya khun pat ba kajing pen roy ki samla rang ye le kai da kajing kershan jong ki pat ba kajing ya trailang ka bajanai ka klop ka kermen ba kana ban wan ra ya ka buram ba jing yo jing job sha ka jilla ha kani ka samoi ban wan
Long la jom hani keti kala sim ya ka rai ka maramba kala manong ba kinong ila ka jong ka kinde bitang ki local players ki jongi jongi ni gari jongi sing manra ki players ki bana bar jongi jongi ba ni shania ro ba la ring yo ki player la se ki ba miri ya ka jimla jongi la ni kita ki player ki badang pau haka percaya baru kau betang itu ke bini wanra ikut baru ngasuba ki pin jongi rutin duna ya ke jingla ke jongki tinggal sania haka jingla ke jong kiri players kam tampok ke jingla ke jong head coach jongi ubah biar Thapa nanta kini ki players baru ki beta ilang badu dan ki sporting staff tinggal scam ba wala ta ki tang ki players nala ke jong kari kampun ki dei na pok ke jala ke jongi klub pep kene ka jing elek ka he ke sema mentalu ka team ke bangi don hang ni ha nong ba ka ke so la jabol klub kan ya kai pha
I think we are ready for the match. Not only the first match, although this like Hawa said, the Indian League is human-made and now it's only a very short leg. It's a single leg, and maximum number of games like a team has to play is I think only 13 matches, like the bottom top and the top 5. So I think this we are ready for the match, and I'm happy with the performance of the boys. The way they are practicing every day, they're giving their best. Though we are the only club I think in the league, we will be featuring only with the local like Indian players. But I am very much happy with the performance of the boys, and as you have seen in the past in the Durand Cup and all, they played really well, and hope we continue in the I-League also with the same performance and do our best. Yeah, good point. Like it was in I think 2017-18 season, if I'm not wrong. I was there myself. Alishan was the head coach that time. And we went with all the Indian squad. But compared to that season and this season, I think we have more players who have more potential, more mature players, and I think they are ready now. Like that time we had mostly that season we had players who just passed out from the academy. And they had to face a big challenge like playing the under-18 league, and suddenly they went to the senior league, and it was too much. But now I see like there's many players who have already played. You know, they've been playing for the past 7-8 years, Frankie and all. But I don't think like now you see, it's not, people are saying that you have a young squad and all, but our players average age is about 21, 22, 20 years. And you see in the modern game, football is ruled by these players of age. So you have experienced players, 3-4 players, but most of the players have the average age is, you can see in all the top league or top countries, Spain and all the players who are there performing at the best level is all 21, 23. So why not, if they can perform at the big stage, why not my players?